Valley's Crossroads host Lions Club. A great friend of all of us, been a Lion for many, many years. He's run out of fingers.
That's right.
And he will be doing he's the installing officer. PID Roy Wilson.
Thank you, Governor Glenn. Distinguished Lions and guests, each year the president of Lions Clubs International has a unique program and theme that highlights his or her perspective for the year. The life and career of this past year's international president, Dr. Young Choi, has been defined by passionate work ethic, along with a dedication to bridge differences, connecting people, and embracing diversity to create harmony for all. Therefore, he chose "We Serve Through Diversity" as his theme for 2019-2020. He said, "If you work harder than you're expected to, extraordinary results will not be far behind." He asked all Lions throughout the world to create harmony through a service with him. And last year, 2019-2020, was a unique year for Lions throughout the world. Our international first vice president, Judge Haynes Townsend, passed away suddenly on December the 17th, 2019. And our international second and third vice presidents elected not to advance 1 year, making it necessary for the International Board of Directors to appoint a first vice president. They appointed past international director Doug Alexander from Brooklyn, New York, who served as a director in the years 2010 to 2012. Now, the COVID-19 virus began to impact all of us in early March. And since that time, stay in and keep safe has dominated us all. Our mode of meetings has mostly been virtual. And needless to say, this has curtailed many activities at the local, district, state, and international levels. For the first time since the founding of LCI in 1917, our international officers and directors are serving 2 terms. The International Convention was canceled this year, and the USA-Canada Lions Leadership Forum, to be held in Louisville, Kentucky in September, has also been canceled now. Combining the 2019-2020 theme, "We Serve Through Diversity," with Kindness Matters, chosen by Judge Townsend for the 2020-2021 year, which he would have been president this year. Dr. Choi has selected United in Kindness and Diversity as his theme for the year. President Choi has said, "Lions don't just serve the world, we represent the world." This year we will unite clubs and communities around the globe, because in times of great need, greater good can be achieved when we join together as one. His programs and initiatives will focus on 4 key elements for Lions International that are essential to our mission of service. Number 1, addressing global causes by serving locally. Supporting our global foundation for number 2, the LCIF Foundation. inspiring kindness with our stories of success, and empowering our clubs to serve safely. As we begin Lions Year 2020-2021 here in District 24L, confronting quarantines, isolating, and social distancing, we must put our health and safety first. As Lions, we must put our health and safety first as we serve others. And we also have to put their safety in mind and the employees that we employ at Lions Clubs International and some throughout the world. Service to our local communities is more critical than ever, whether it's serving meals to low-income children while schools are closed, delivering groceries to the elderly who are most vulnerable to the virus, or donating to our food banks. We must continue to find new ways to give back to our communities. To achieve this, communication between our members and holding club meetings, whether they're online or live meetings such as this, is very essential to our success. And today I'm extremely proud and honored to install the 2020-2021 cabinet members of District 24L under the leadership of District Governor Glenn Logan and his team. Now, it's not my intention today to give the duties in detail, but you've all had opportunities to participate in district training and to receive information from Lions Clubs International. District Governor Glenn invited those cabinet members who responded that they would not be here today to participate by joining the meeting on Zoom. And I'll ask the governor, you still want me to go through their names and all?
Yeah.
Okay.
I sent them an email.
Okay, so first I will now announce the committees and the names of the cabinet members who registered to participate in the Zoom meeting. And the second Vice District Governor and Long Range Planning ex officio member, Lion Rose Burroughs. The Audit and Budget, past District Governor Doug Cross. Constitution and Bylaws, past Council Chair Don Conley. Diabetes, Lion Catherine Gold. Disaster Response, Lion Teja Patel. District Governor Advisory Committee, Public Relations, and Liaison to District 22C, past District Governor Woody Woodward. District Liaison to 22C, past District Governor Bob Helm. Foundation Fighting Blindness and Sight Conservation, Lon DeVita Lewis. Peace Poster Contest, Lon Jeff Root. Sight and Hearing Mobile Screening Unit, Lon Charlie Harmon. Virginia Lions Eye Institute Foundation, Lon Cheryl Bass. White Cane, Lon Richard Bell. Zone E, Lon Don Bradley. And Zone F, Chair, Lon Dwight Brooks. Zone N Chair, Lon Skip McMullen. And supposedly we were going to have past District Governor Mike Ryan join us on Zoom from Florida today. I was going to say now I declare each of these members installed in their cabinet positions, and if there's anybody participating in Zoom that I didn't call out, they're also installed. But congratulate to everyone who had signed up for Zoom or might be on Zoom, and we hope they get this. The rest of this will be live. I'll now install the cabinet members who are here today. And first, I'll recognize the district committee chairpersons. And I noticed in your package today you have your directories, so you'll find all committees and chairpersons listed in that directory. And I'll announce only the names of those present today. And when I call your name, please stand in place. We won't call you up here. And remain standing until I ask you to be seated. Bland Memorial Scholarship and Worldwide Induction Day. Past Council Chair Shirley Wilson. We'll hold our applause until the end. Bland Memorial Scholarship and District Chaplain, Past District Governor Jim Christensen. Campus Clubs, Leo Clubs, and Line Quest, Line Erica Laus. Childhood Cancer, Line Daisy Touquet. Childhood Cancer and Relief Hunger, Line Nanette Yu. Constitution Bylaws, Protocol, and State Convention, Past Council Chair Harry Parker. Diabetes Awareness and Action, Line Alicia Kelly. You said it. District Disaster Response, Line Dave Casto. Maybe Dave didn't come. He signed up to be here anyway. Ethics, Past Council Chair John Nepper. International Liaison and International Relations, yours truly, Past International Director Roy Wilson. Lions Clubs International Foundation, Line Jim Cheggs. Leader Dog for the Blind, Line Chuck Swab. Lions Eyeglass Recycling Center for Northern Virginia, Past District Governor Emily Carnes. She canceled out. Lions of Virginia Foundation, Line Tom Kenovan. Lions of Virginia Foundation and Worldwide Induction Day, Line Mary Beth Schwab. Long Range Planning, First Vice District Governor Joel Kendall. NAMI Champion, Line Donaldo Lovelace. Newsletter and website, Line Sally Anderson. Northern Virginia Lions Youth Camp, Line Phil Mayo. And Past District Governor Jay Mohan. Officer Training, Line Jim Boatner and Line Vicki Davies. Peace Poster, Line Sandy Morris. Sergeant at Arms, Line Rich LaValle. Visitation, Line Marie Davis. Women and Family, Past District Governor Sally Kenovan. Fellow Lions, each of you should become familiar with the information for District Committee Chairpersons on Lions Clubs International website. You will assist the District Governor, the first and second Vice District Governors in accomplishing the district goals set for 2020-2021. You should be knowledgeable of the clubs in the district, visit and present programs when possible, and communicate on a regular basis. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you very much. You now can be seated. Next, I will install the zone chairpersons and any club presidents and secretaries that might be here today. Will you please stand and remain standing until I ask that you be seated. Zone A, line Bob Odie. Zone B, line Ralph Cooper. Zone I, Lion Don Vazone. Dan Vazone, I'm sorry, Dan. Zone J, line Bobby Anderson. Zone K, line Donalda Lovelace. Zone G, line Vicky Davies. Zone O, right? Zone P, Past District Governor Ray McDonald. In Zone Q, line Mary Prost. Now, is there any club presidents or secretaries here today? If you will all still stand. Please introduce yourself. Your presidents and secretaries, introduce yourself and your club.
My name is Roy Flores, President, AAA Lions Club.
Please stay standing.
George Goodwin, Secretary, Louisa County Lions Club.
Thank you.
Here. And Barbara, Secretary, open for midday.
Any others?
Marie Davis, go ahead, Marie, sorry. Marie Davis, Weir State, Lions.
Vicki Davies, Stephen City Lions Club Secretary. Alicia Canaya, AAA Lions Club.
Any others? Okay, the District Governor's Advisory Committee is chaired by the zone chairperson and includes all club presidents and club secretaries within the zone. At least 3 meetings of the committee will be held during the year to exchange ideas about club operations, promote unity among the clubs within the zone, and develop new membership strategies and provide new leadership development opportunities. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you. You may now be seated. Okay, now we're going to move on and let's move to the Global Leadership, Membership, and Service Team. First of all, I'd like to call up to stand up, please, is GLT, Global Leadership Team, Council Chair Wilbur Murphy. And Wilbur, congratulations on becoming Council Chair for our Council of Governors this year in the state of Virginia. And the GMT, Past District Governor Sally Kennison. As leadership and membership coordinators, you will collaborate and implement plans to develop skilled leaders, strengthen membership, and expand District 24L's humanitarian service. To achieve these various responsibilities, teamwork is the key. And as Andrew Carnegie said, teamwork is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. And I don't consider y'all common people, but I will expect uncommon results. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you. You can be seated. Next, I'd like to do the District Governor's Advisory Committee. Past Council Chair Shirley Wilson. Shirley, you and advisors, past Council Chair Phil Schrack and past District Governor Woody Woodward, will meet when and as called upon by the District Governor. You will act under the direction of the District Governor in the promotion of harmony throughout the district. You will take any issue assigned by the Governor and recommend solutions after careful study. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you. You can be seated. Okay, now if I fail to acknowledge any member of the 2021 District Cabinet today, please stand now and we'll recognize you and you can tell us the position and your name. Is there anyone I failed to recognize? Oh, I'm going to get to you. Next, I will install the District Secretary, Carol Byers. Carol, you are under the supervision of the District Governor and will carry out the duties as described online and in written materials you've received. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you, Carol. You can be seated also. And now I'd like to call forward our leadership team. Our leadership team for 2020-2021. First Vice District Governor Joel Kendall, and if y'all will come up here. Joel, if you'll come up. And District Governor Glenn Logan. And you two gentlemen can stand right out front here somewhere. First Vice District Governor Joel. The Second Vice District Governor, you and the District Governor make up the District Governor's team and will work together to provide effective district leadership. This concept will foster collaboration, provide continuity in district administration, and better prepare you for your role when you become District Governor. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you. District Governor Glenn, I know that you've received the DG training and have been officially sworn in by our International President. Today, as a formality for District 24L, I simply ask, are you still willing to perform the duties as District Governor to the best of your ability?
I do.
Thank you. I was worried if he said no, what in the world would we do next? It's now my great pleasure to declare the entire District 24L Cabinet duly installed into the responsible roles and respective roles to which you have been elected and selected. And I want to thank Governor Glenn for inviting me today to install the officers, and I appreciate your attention.
Thank you, PID Roy.